Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up HBAR on Ledger. First, make sure your Ledger device is connected and unlocked. Open the Ledger Live application on your computer. It's crucial to have the latest version of Ledger Live installed for optimal performance and security. This ensures compatibility with the Hedera network and the HBAR application. We'll walk through each step to get your HBAR securely managed. Next, we need to install the Hedera application on your Ledger device. In Ledger Live, go to the Manager tab. Search for Hedera or HBAR in the app catalog. Click Install and follow the prompts. Your Ledger device will ask for confirmation. Approve it. This app is essential for interacting with the Hedera network and managing your HBAR tokens securely through your Ledger.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It makes a huge difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the Hedera app is installed, open it on your Ledger device. Then, back in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and click Add Account. Select Hedera from the list. Ledger Live will then synchronize with your device to create a new HBAR account. Your unique Hedera address will be generated and displayed, ready for you to receive HBAR. With your HBAR account set up, you can now send and receive HBAR. To receive, simply share your new HBAR address. For sending, select your Hedera account in Ledger Live and click Send. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. Always double-check the details on your Ledger device screen before confirming the transaction. This ensures your funds go to the correct destination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.